these three pictures are seemingly unrelated, but actually they have everything to do with each other. What three things do we have here? We got some netball jerseys. Colours. We got bow ties. Bow tie events. Events. What's on the bottom left there?
Keyboard.
That's a keyboard. Okay. It's not just any keyboard. What kind of keyboard is it? Gaming Razer Chroma keyboard. All right. So here's what we're doing. I'll tell you how all these things are related to each other. This whole topic, year 12, coming back, and the whole concept is called the intersection of lines. Right? And so why are these things related? Well, when you think about netball, one thing you can do is you can intercept with certain people. So if you intercept the ball, for example. And that's how we're going to approach these intersections of lines. So when these two lines intercept each other. But also, this is one of the most applicable concepts in mathematics to the quote-unquote real world, because there is something in, and your business studies students will enjoy this, but there's something called break-even analysis. And the way that we approach these is by using these equations of lines and then graphing them to see what they look like. So for example, when you have an event or when you make a product, right, often there are going to be some initial costs to set things up. For example, if you're selling a keyboard, you might need to get the manufacturing going, or you might need the supplies first. If you're hosting an event, what's the first thing you probably need? You'll need guests, but before that, you need a, just think about if you're hosting the event, right? Exactly, George. You'll need a venue, right? You'll need a place, and that place is going to need a deposit or some cost to set that up, right? And so the whole idea is, how many tickets would you need to sell to what we call break even? What do you mean by break even?
When profits.
Yeah, when you start making profit, right? So break even is basically when you make your money back, right? Because the whole idea with these events is you're not doing this out of charity necessarily. Or if you are doing it for charity, you want to make money for the charity, right? And so the whole idea here is you're saying, okay, I want to see how many I need to sell in order to make this then, okay?